Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on social media stock analysis. I'm Evan Skymate, and this is my first Capstone project. And this project will be focused on the fintech industry. We will explore the trend and performance of major social media company stocks from 2012 to 2022. Let's get started. And here are the key points that will be presented in this project. We'll go over the project objectives. We will explain how the data was collected and prepared. We will conduct some exploratory data analysis, share sample of data. We'll visualize the price trends and finish with key findings and conclusions. The objective of the project is to identify significant price trends and patterns across these companies. The data was sourced from Cargo, which aggregate daily stock price from 2012 to 2022 for 5 major social media companies, which are Meta, Twitter, Snapchat, ATSI, and Pinterest. These prices originally came from Yahoo Finance. To begin, we imported the necessary Python libraries and loaded the CSV file. We then converted the date column to datetime format. We do some filtering, some sorting, and we perform cleaning to remove inconsistencies. We perform a preliminary analysis to understand the structure and quality of the data. This involves checking for missing values, exploring distribution of stocks, price, and calculating descriptive statistics like mean, max, and minimum price for each company. Okay. Okay, here we show a snapshot of the clean data set, which includes columns like open, close, high, low, and volume. This structured format allows us to analyze price evolution and compare performance across companies. We also imported an HTML file so we can put it on our website so people can go there and see how it can be more interactive. Next, we use line plots to visualize the trend of each company over a 10-year period. These plots reveal both short-term fluctuations and long-term trends, such as the growth of Meta and ATSI and volatile of Twitter and Snapchat. Okay, those are the results. As you can see, there were no missing values. These are the presentation, the result of our analysis. Okay, this is it. And here is our plot. As you can see here, we have our y-axis where we have the adjusted close price in US dollar for each company. We have the time or date time in years from 2012 to 2022. And here are the list of companies: HTSI, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and here's a line plot for each stock, each company stock. This is a link to my website, so where everyone can go and check the link and interact with it. Okay, this is an example of when you go to the website, you can see how it goes. You see all the information, Facebook, the date, and the price for that particular day. Here we analyze for two. This is for HTSI and Facebook. We see a long-term growth for those two companies. For Pinterest and Snapchat, the growth is lower. Okay, over time they start growing from 2020, late 2020, and late 2021 they start declining. And Twitter is pretty volatile and more. Uh, there is not too much growth. Okay, it start going at the beginning and start declining for a long time and then grow again. And yeah, as you can see. And here it is. Thank you, everyone.